Welcome back to the Coins and Connections podcast, where we explore all things books, business, and bullshit. My favorite bees. I'm your host, the fairy coin mother, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Now let's get into today's episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the Coins and Connections podcast, episode 182. Today I'm going to talk about 10 best niches that ChatGPT gave me. I really love doing things with niches. I am bringing back Let's Niche Down. Let's Niche Down is where I share my opinion on the best niches in print on demand, but this time I had some help from ChatGPT. We're going to talk about the best 10 niches that ChatGPT gave me, and I'm going to read it for word, but this is like a print on demand niche spotlight. You're going to hear me throw out a few different titles because I'm trying to figure out which titles feel normal while bringing more niche research, basically the niche spotlight. And I'm excited about talking more about niche related things and niche research because it is really truly something that I love to do. Let's go ahead and get into the episode. And if you're watching here on YouTube, I'm going to go on Amazon, and as I go through these, I'm just going to type in a few different ideas so you guys can see that as well in real time. One of the things I did was I asked ChatGPT, hey, give me a title for a YouTube series or a podcast series or podcast episodes that covers niche research. And it said print on demand niche spotlight. It told me that this series could spotlight different markets within the print on demand industry, such as pet owners or sports fans. Each episode could provide an overview of the market, highlight popular products and design trends within that niche. That is what it told me that my series can be about. And then I said, hey, ChatGPT, give me 10 print on demand niches. And I like samples and ideas or things like that. This is what we are going to get into. We're going to start with 10. It gave me nature lovers. So it gave me nature lovers, and I'm going to type in nature lovers t-shirt on Amazon, and then I'm going to read what it said. It says this niche includes products like custom nature themed clothing, tote bags, and home decor featuring natural designs like mountain trees and animals. What is the amazing thing about this is I'm actually already doing this. So I have Crypto Cloud. So I am already doing like a nature type store. But what you can see here are some, it says a guitarist. I don't know, but that looks like mountains to me. See some stuff about rivers, nature lovers, RV, tree huggers, some like by the marsh type shirts, but there's a lot of different nature shirts. And just for optics, I'm on the all button on Amazon, and it's over 4,000 search results for nature lovers t-shirts. Now I can also do nature's lovers journal and see what the search results. It says about 3,000. It did give you some really good ideas, and I thought that was really well thought out. Right now, when I'm doing the search in Amazon, just so you guys who are not watching on YouTube, I'm only typing in whatever the niche is, and I'm typing t-shirt or journal behind it. And this is how I'm getting the results, because I don't want you to feel like I'm putting in some extra stuff if you're not watching and you're listening. Number 9 is teachers and educators, or teachers and educators. It says this niche includes products like custom lesson planners, classroom posters, and stickers featuring educated related designs. When I type in teachers and educators t-shirts, this is what pops up, about 3,000 search designs. They talk about math, teaching tiny humans, believer, motivator, innovator, education, trick or teach, a lot of Black history type teaching things. There's a lot of shirts up there. Teach, love, inspire. All right, looks good. I'm going to go ahead and put in journal behind teachers and educators. And we got about 658 search results. That's low. You can get in using those keywords, teachers and educators journal. There's a lot of nice stuff in here for teachers and educators, but remember, it's always time for a fresh perspective. It's always time for a fresh perspective. Number 8 Artists and creatives. This is such a fun one because I feel like we all are artists and creatives. Artists and creatives, this niche includes products like custom sketchbooks, art prints, stickers, and future stickers featuring unique designs. I typed in artists and creatives t-shirt, search results, a lot of sleep art repeat, a really cute art shirt, definition of artist. Everything's pretty much colorful over here, some Van Gogh stuff. The word's pretty sketchy. So that's pretty cool. It's only 559 search results using that keyword. Now I'm going to type in artists and creatives journals, over 3,000 results on Amazon. And there are a lot of like creative journals, bucket list journal. I've seen that bucket list journal for years now. It's been there for a very, very long time when I started. Hopefully it's still selling. There are some actual books in here, and then there's like a mixture of a lot of stuff. So you can probably actually sift through that search results and actually find something super unique. Number 7 is musicians. I typed in musician t-shirts. This niche includes products like custom t-shirts featuring band logos, posters, and album art. It's about 70,000 search results for musicians t-shirts. There's a bestseller with a guitar on there. It looks like a little fun character thing. It has a ukulele and I guess a guitar, and it's like words going back. It's an Amazon choice. It's $19.99. There is a shape of a guitar looking like a landscape. There's some really unique designs on here. I'm not so unique, but there's a pretty good bit. But 70,000 search results, you do the math. Musician journal has about 80,000 search results. And I see lots of stuff like writing lyrics on the fly. So like a lyric book. I see a lot of lyric books, songwriting journals, composition, music composition. So these are some cute ideas, just a lot of things that you have to sift to see if you can bring something new to this niche. We are at number 6, which is fitness enthusiasts. Fitness enthusiasts t-shirt. We're going to check this out. It says this niche includes products like custom workout clothes, gym bags, water bottles featuring fitness related designs. For that keyword, fitness enthusiast t-shirt, we have about 709 search results. A lot of working on my dad bod, gym rat. I'm into fitness taco in my mouth. Yep, that's me all day. We have a lot of funny taco fitness, lifting weights, fitness and ice cream. Some of those shirts where when you get sweaty, the words show up on the shirt. A lot of cute different things that people who work out will love. A lot of fitness enthusiast stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in fitness enthusiast journal. And let's see what shows up here. About 3,000 search results. Fitness logbook, my fitness journal, workouts, just keep spinning. A lot of different logbooks and things like that. Opportunity to get in where you fit in. You can use this keyword and then possibly do something with Pilates. The next one, number 5, which is foodies. I'm going to go ahead and type in foodies t-shirt. Foodies, this niche includes products like custom aprons, cutting boards, and tea towels featuring food-related design. We have about 2,000 search results using that keyword. Talk foodie to me. That's how food is my love language. Really good options here. Then I'm going to type in foodies journal. We have about 452 search results using this keyword. All my fucking recipes. Shit, I hopefully won't burn. Restaurant passport. Let's see. My awesome recipes. Restaurant review journal. Another amount of opportunities. But now we're down to number 4, which is travel enthusiast t-shirts. It says this niche includes products like custom maps, travel theme mugs, luggage tags featuring unique designs. And we have about 9,000 search results for t-shirt. There's just different things about traveling around the world. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. Live, love, travel. A lot of little cute things. And now let's look at Travel Enthusiast Journal. We have about 470 search results using those keywords. Camping and RV travel log, international travel journal. So just a lot of different logbook journals in general. Number 3 is book lovers. I can relate to this one. Book lovers t-shirts. So you have about 7,000 search results. Book talk and just the book world in general is huge. So these are some really cute ideas. Lots of different type of ideas. I see a lot of cat stuff. I see let's read. super cute shirts. And then let's look at the book lover journals. We got about 20,000 search results for book journal. Wow. So a lot of things focus on like book clubs, reading journal, lists, bucket lists, things like that. Number 2 is sports fan. Let's go ahead and type in sports fan t-shirt, even though that's not specific, but it is a keyword. And I think it just means more so I'm a fan of this sport. I just hope both teams have fun. That's super cute. Sports. I like the ones that don't specifically hone in on a team. We need more of shirts like that people want to wear. Think about the people who don't have a basketball team or a football team, but they enjoy watching the sport with their friends. Shirts and things like that they can be supportive, but not. Then I'm going to do sports fan journal. About 50,000 search results. There's just pictures of crossword puzzles, composition notebook with basketballs on there, Cowboys. Let's think about things that we can do that don't hone in on a actual team. Eat, sleep, trampoline, and repeat. A lot of composition notebooks with like little baseballs and stuff on there. And number 1 is pet owners. Pet owners is a large niche regardless of where you go. Pet owners t-shirt. We have about 8,000 search results for the keyword pet owners t-shirt. I like dogs, and maybe 3 people. That's probably a shirt for me. Service human do not pet. I let the dogs out, the dog father. A lot of cute things. Another one, number 1 dad, lab tested. My dog thinks I'm cool. So super cute ideas. Did I read? Sports fan. This niche in products like custom sports jersey, team logo merchandise, and sports themed phone cases. Pet owners. This niche includes products like custom pet portraits, personalized pet tags, and t-shirts featuring cute pet related designs. Pet owners journal. Let's see. 50,000 search results. This is definitely something that, again, you'll have to sift through to see if you can find something you like. I am going to go ahead and read all of those out one more time. Number 10, nature lovers. Number 9, teachers and educators. Number 8, artists and creatives. Number 7, musicians. Number 6, fitness enthusiasts. Number 5, foodies. Number 4, travel enthusiasts. Number 3, book lovers. Number 2, sports fan. And number 1, pet owners. I know I only did search results for journals and t-shirt on Amazon, but in each description, I read out what type of products or items that you could sell with each niche. Maybe you need to go through this again, stop it, pause it, write down, Google, whatever you need to do so that you can see different ways that you can less niche down. I just had to say it again. I hope you guys enjoyed the 10 best print on demand niches that ChatGPT gave me. And until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast. Look forward to more niche research topics coming from me. I can talk about it all day long. If you want to hear more about the type of products that you can actually break down in each of these niches, go ahead and make sure you're subscribed so that you can hear about this next week in a new video. And until next time. Thank you so much for listening and subscribing to the Coins and Connections podcast. Don't forget to leave a review and join the conversation over on Facebook and Instagram using the hashtag Coins and Connections. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cinquanta Cox-Smith and at Coins and Connections. You can shop all merch at www.coinsandconnections.com. I love you more than I love this podcast. Peace.